Our family embarked on a journey of approximately 800 kilometers, setting out early to make the most of our midweek long weekend break, all amidst the splendid flower season in southern Africa. The country had received its average 12-year very high winter rainfall, resulting in a spectacular bloom of every seed that had found its way to the fertile ground. Our halfway point brought us to the charming town of Van Rensdorp, nestled in the Namaqualand region of the Western Cape. It is a picturesque place situated alongside the Troe-Troe River, with the imposing Mascam Mountain and the Gifberg Mountains as its backdrop. The Gifberg, aptly named the Poison Mountain from the poisonous plant Euphorbia virosa found on it. It's only about 20 kilometers north of Van Rensdorp. The mountain marks the origin of the Troe-Troe River, which gracefully flows northward through the town. Our brief stop in Van Rensdorp allowed us to capture some captivating photographs of the serene landscape now covered with the most beautiful floral display, before we continued our journey towards the enchanting Namaqualand. One curious observation in this quaint town was the presence that we received prior to our arrival of emergency numbers that included contact details for a tire specialist. Little did we know that fate would lead us to require the services of Mr. Tire, who promptly came to our aid with just a phone call away. We're busy putting in a new tire with Jan Tire. And I'm going to be buying my shoes at Pep. It's about as good as it's going to get around here. It was also at this moment that I realized I'd forgotten to pack my shoes for the trip. Fortunately for the local Chinese store, which came to the rescue, saving my feet from the perils of a barefoot holiday. With renewed spirits and well equipped for our adventure, we pressed on northwards towards Komisgrun, passing through the captivating landscapes of Knashvlakte and Harries. The flowers, an endless sea of colors, adorned our path, beckoning us to stop and admire their beauty at every turn. As far as the eye can see, the landscape was painted with nature's vibrant palette. It was a breathtaking sight that left us awestruck. We couldn't resist the urge to stop frequently, capturing the beauty through our lenses. Our destination for the next 3 nights was Groot-Vallei, a choice that proved to be the pinnacle of our trip. Nestled in the heart of Namaqualand, this farm was a warm and welcoming haven. The farm family extended their hospitality with open arms, and even their friendly dogs became our constant companions during our trip. Stay tuned by subscribing if you wish to embark on the rest of our floral beauty extravaganza journey with us.